So here are the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need the Mehron, Stage Blood, Squirt Blood, or you can get any Stage Blood or Squirt Blood, but I recommend these. A puff, the Bruise Palette. This is Mehron also. If you can't get this Bruise Palette, definitely get this. Just be ready to mix the colors. 3 small brushes, deep, very detailed type brushes, and then a fluffy one. Any setting powder, I recommend RCMA. A sponge, you're gonna cut this, and then eyeshadows. Okay, so right now I'm taking my eyeshadow and I'm mapping out. By the way, excuse me for being on the side of the video. I didn't realize I was until after the fact, but you'll still get the picture. So right now I'm taking the Bruise palette and I am going to dab all over to lightly bruise. I'm going in the red and the brown just to lightly bruise everywhere so I can like stress out my skin. I'm gonna just shade that. I'm going in with the black. I think that's brown. It's not black, it's brown. It's brown, and you're just gonna go on the inside of where you want the scar, where the scar is gonna be the deepest. Yes, and I'm just filling in the middle. So this is still the eyeshadow. Eyeshadow, no, I'm taking a fluffy brush to just buff out the edges, dipping it in some red, and now I am going in with my rigid collodion. This stuff is very strong. If you have sensitive skin, I don't recommend you use it. One time I used it and left it on for 24 hours and it gave me a slight chemical burn, so just be careful with this. But it's the only one that gets the most realistic scar to me. So I put 3 layers of this, by the way. And then I'm gonna go over it with a puff, use some of that setting powder. You could do this beforehand when you're messing with the creams and the eyeshadows, but I did it afterwards. And I'm gonna go back over with some red eyeshadow on my fluffy brush. I'm also gonna go in, I think I'm gonna go in with some blue here in a little bit. Yeah, some blue and purple just to bruise up everything really nicely. I think I put another layer of collodion. Now I'm gonna go in with my black from my Bruise palette, the cream. I'm gonna go in with black and I'm gonna put that right in the middle where I want it to be, when I want it to look the deepest. Just gonna fill that in and then set that with powder. Wipe everything away. This is like a 5-minute look, so now I'm going in with the Stage Blood for Mehron. And I'm just gonna dab that all over my cuts. This is a thicker type of blood compared to the Squirt Blood, and that's Squirt Blood right there. I'm just gonna put that all over. Don't try to be so uniform. If you do, rub it away just like I did. Yes, and now here is my look. I'm gonna be doing looks like this for the month of October. Easy looks that anybody can do. So this is my look. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.